My name is Arturo, and I'm with the project with Richard. Um, Let me open the document first. So this is our project, and this is pretty much how we're going to manage our sprints. Today is here. Sorry, how I was just focusing the screen and I wasn't reading it. But today I'm in charge of doing the edge and authentication, pretty much doing the Firester logging, the JWT flow, the API gateway, and the security. I'm recording this on the day that I made it. So far, I think Richard should be working on this. So it's going to be displayed, and on the next sprint, I'm going to be showing the Firester backend, the Gemini scoring, suggestion, Firester storage, um, and yeah. And today I'm going to show you a little bit of this because I already initialized the Firestore just to like have it there already. But it should be going good. Okay, so where should I go next? Let's go here. Okay, so now we're in here. And pretty much I'm going to show you, here we have the project, which we named it Jobaholics. And if you remember, is we are going to make an application where it's going to like summarize job applications so that way it makes it easier for the user. So pretty much here for the sprint one. And let me go into, yes, over here, Firestore. We are now in Jobaholics, which is I did it on Firestore. I connected the project to Firestore and enabled the authentication. And this pretty much allows the user to correctly log in and using an email and password. Over here, I have a test user, just for easier, so that we don't have to like use our actual accounts. And I just did like a test user. So it's test at jobaholics.com. So yeah, and it was verified successfully. Firestore authentication issues the JWT tokens after successful login, which we will use to secure the backend request in the future. Now, I'm trying to show everything. Also here, the APIs. Let me see if they're saved on the. I think it's this one. And I already enabled them, but I'm just gonna run it again so you can see that they were enabled. In the meantime, yeah, finished successfully. They're already enabled. I just forgot what to check them, so I can like show you. Then over here we have the IAM, the access, and you can see that I'm over here in the bottom, and I added Richard as a collaborator or editor. Uh, so yeah, and then what is next? Yeah, I can show you here. Like I said, I already created the Firestore, the Firebase over here. It's empty because this is like for my next step for when I actually incorporate Gemini. But I just wanted to get like a little bit of head start on this, and yeah. Um, at the end of the sprint, the core edge and authentication foundation is complete, and pretty much the user can authenticate, the JWT security is ready, the database is initialized, and the project is ready for the API gateway and backend integration, which is going to be coming on the next sprint, like I said. And yeah, I think this is it for this sprint. I don't think I'm missing anything because yeah, this sprint it was a little bit simple. It was just pretty much making sure that everything was connected so that way the Richard can do the cloud storage and the pub secret manager. And then after that, on the next sprint, I'm going to show the Gemini and suggestions for storage, which is going to be fun. So stay tuned and thank you.